Let's see the difference between the TNT commissions, as you can find in the GPS compensation plan, and the new TNT activation bonus. Okay, so first of all, these are two different things, and it doesn't mean that the new TNT activation bonus replaces the TNT commissions. No, it's an additional commission that we are giving out. Okay, so it means that all the commissions that you are used to see in the compensation plan for the GPS, now I'm talking about the GPS commissions, remains the same. Means that you earn a 2% commission on your first generation, 3% on your second, 4, 7, 14, and 20%, okay, in the sixth generation. So to make it short, let's take from the GPS Pro at $49.90. If you have a GPS Pro renewal, these are the renewal fee, not the activation, not the fast start bonus, sorry. You earn every month a 9.98 commissions on every GPS renewal, right? Okay. The fast start bonus also remain, means that the first month, if you are the original sponsor of a new GPS, you earn a 50% bonus, okay? So that remains exactly the same. Then what happens? That's every month, anyway, you have many renewals in your organization. So we see here in this example of a partner from January 25th to January 28th, it got many commissions. We see here he has a GPS, for example here, a GPS Basic Plus monthly fee renewal in 5th generation. So he earned here $4 and cents, etc. Here, instead, we have another kind of commission, which is the new 2% TNT GPS activation bonus. It means that this GPS is a new GPS in his 5th generation, but he is not the original sponsor. So in this moment, the original sponsor earned a 50% fast start bonus, while this partner earned a 2% because it was in his 5th generation. Okay? Then again here, we see, I'm talking about the payable commissions in this moment, and not about the pending commission, just about the payable commissions. So in this case, we have another kind of commission, a TNT commission, which is a commission for a purchase that a member made at the Clubshop mall. So we see here the Clubshop outlet so generated the 24 cents here. Okay, very good. And then again, we see here another Basic Plus monthly fee who generated this. Then again, a commission from the Clubshop mall. Then here again, a 2% activation bonus, okay, from a new GPS on the 4th generation. And here again, a renewal monthly fee in 3rd generation, and so on. Another TNT activation bonus, etc. Okay, so we see here we have another, well, from GPS basic. Anyway, you understand the concept.